Panguva ino tirikuona kuti almost every citizen of Zimbabwe are against constitutional amendments, whether are diaspora or in Zimbabwe. People, they are not comfortable with them just because people, they suspect a lot. People are now tired. People have experienced my experience zvavanyatsoona kuti zvirikutozama kuti nezvigananda izvi kana neanother function yeZANU-PF tirikuona maplans avo, and the life after this constitutional amendments is gonna be sour. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipinda panguva inotiona the ruling party ZANU-PF ichishedza kumacourts manodzi constitutional amendments. Then everyone muda achiposta this picture ramuri kuona iri muda nyora achiti Zimbabwe's Constitutional Court will hear a challenge on May 20, 2026 against the Constitutional Amendment Bill No. 3, argued by 6 war veterans who claim President Mnangagwa's involvement in creating it constitutes a conflict of interest. And the case, which marks a significant test for the separation of powers, following Chief Justice Luke Malawa's retirement, questions if a president can lawfully oversee legislation that personally benefits them. Hashtag no to 2030. Topa developments are kubuda panguva ino vanhu vakamirira kuona the day our 20 May. Panoona kwakunzi the ruling party ZANU-PF, it is being called kumacourts panhau dzema-constitutional amendments. Kuchiona kwakunzi vanhu havasi comfortable and they know that these constitutional amendments are tombori in support of the citizens. They are just against them, and people, they are now fearing. That is why toona these war veterans are going to argue against the president pamusoro his involvement in creating the amendment which constitutes conflict of interest within the citizens. Penda comment section medu zvafungira imi muri kudi pamusoro pechiriko ichi. Musaona subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.